So, love is not all about maybe education level, but nesinzira ha mutima gw'omuntu. So na Nyamutoro stamina yagira no, I can take up yes. Not that oba Eddy Kenzo ine sente, not really. Ugandans, you have to understand this. Tikudi kugira nasinzira ha sente za Eddy Kenzo zaine because Nyamutoro no muntu aine shitini sache yonko muntu nastama mu parliament, but because there is a hidden treasure in Eddy Kenzo and in Nyamutoro. That's why barugayo bagambira abana Uganda that we really love each other.
Auntie, tetunaba kakasa kubanga sawa zino, just we call her a friend. They are still friends. Eddy Kenzo, I think he is in love again with the Minister Honorable Fiona Nyamutoro. Actually, Eddy Kenzo abadde mu relationship nono omukyala nze nganze kyensuubira alabika abadde mu relationship emabega omukyala ono Minister Nyamutoro bwe yali agenda for swearing in era baali wamu ne beekuba ebifaananyi ne president waffe bonanga olaba nga waliwo ka relationship among the two.
Yes, actually I saw it. And the way she was calling up Eddy Kenzo to come and take some pictures, so it really showed that these people they knew each other even before.
Yeah.
Actually, even yarugayo yatugambira mazima yagira yes, she is my wife. To
Eddy Kenzo?
A certain extent, yes.
Eddy Kenzo?
Yes. He has already confirmed it.
Rema ne Hamza. Babade ba celebrating Eddy mu style.
Rema Namakula shared a video with her husband Hamza Sebunya, doctor, on the day of Eid.
Actually, tina chinji mnonge kibaye bariho abukano barugirayo bayendeza abantu idenungi, so nothing because they are already in a relationship and nothing is hitting them right now. So, love is not all about maybe education level, but nesinzira ha mutima gw'omuntu. So na Nyamutoro stamina yagira no, I can take up yes. Not that oba Eddy Kenzo ine sente, not really. Ugandans, you have to understand this. Tikudi kugira nasinzira ha sente za Eddy Kenzo zaine because Nyamutoro no muntu aine shitini sache yonko muntu nastama mu parliament, but because there is a hidden treasure in Eddy Kenzo and in Nyamutoro. That's why barugayo bagambira abana Uganda that we really love each other.
Auntie, tetunaba kakasa kubanga sawa zino, just we call her a friend. They are sichilungi kunyomanga
teseno ya katonda bintu byensi bichuka.
Yeah, mu luyimba olwo lwennyini yavayo n'agamba nti
neka print call ndoze
yali ategeeza Minister
Nyamutoro
nti neka print yako totandise
so
sikange sikalinkoni
wanje
yeah kakati olaba Eddy Kenzo kino ekintu nze nganze supportinga Eddy Kenzo kubanga afunye omukyala ate eno family nze kyemanyi egenda kubeera nga progressinga kubanga buli omu alina sente, Minister alina sente ate ne Eddy Kenzo yennyini alina sente, bona bali mu future
Yeah, indeed nechamani mononga abokuba tuli ontushabira Eddy Kenzo musuza okufuna omuntu namukunda and to make his life, and we're all really proud of Eddy Samsuza for having taken a good minister, and she's so cute. I hope she will make a good wife. Actually, I love Rema Namakula, and but I also supported her because as married people, you can't understand what happens and the reason behind their breakup. So I supported her because also she found her soulmate. Then in Eddy Kenzo with them, yafuno montario na kurachi na mukunda. So I support all of them. Baitu ebintu bituli kuleba on board nibikuwereka that those people, they have been dating for a long, much as they are telling us 2 years behind, that's when they got each other. But you remember even Nyamutoro akabana tujira that I knew him even before. He's among my best artists I like in Uganda. You still remember that, eh?
Yes.
So it means babi ni dating for a while. So that's why ni when Kenzo yarugiro yagira nkaba ntalenda ku exposing my relationship because of what Rema had done to me. Era musuza karugayo yatugambira twena yatugira ngo wapi nichori wantarugayo nabereka my relationship with Nyamutoro abukanka ntalenda arabasa kunkora nkechoha nkecha Rema ekiyabira nkozire. So I hope that was the reason in this Uganda, so you go with that. So if you feel like this thing makes me happy, then you continue with life. Nichori kuleba Rema nekiyasha zire period.
Naye katusubire buli kimu kyonna kitambula bulungi. Tweyanziza mwena abatulaba wano ku Lincoln TV. Ajukira gwe atanaba ku subscribinga nsaba o subscribinge ate video eno nga bulijjo nsaba ojiwe ka like eberenga etambula buli omwa mawulire gana aberenga agafuna. Story ya Eddy Kenzo ne Minister fengafe wano ku Lincoln TV tugenda beranga tujibaletera mu season part 1 part 2 season 2 season 4 egenda kubeera nga bajita bajeno film ya Lincoln Blues prison break ya eno story ya Eddy Kenzo ne Minister tugenda kubeera nga tujibaletera mu season nga bolaba prison break part 1 part 2 part 3 paka bwetuka kumbaga Eddy Kenzo team Eddy Kenzo